Return of the cicada. Perhaps in this case it should be called Cicadaville. If Jimmy Buffett were writing the music for this, clearly that would be his title. It is May 21st, 2004. We had cicadas, and they mated, the cicadas. The male died. The eggs were buried, and 17 years ago they emerged as larvae from holes such as this. They shed their, oops, one just flew at me and on me. Sorry about that. They grow from larvae, and then they emerge from these shells. And become cicadas. And that sound in the background is not the high-pitched screech of a jet engine, but it is male cicadas flexing their chest as a mating call. Well, one final view of these lovely little creatures, and then we'll move up. The return of the cicada. Or if Jimmy Buffett were writing the score for this production, no doubt he would entitle the music Cicadaville. It is May 22nd, 2004, Fairfax, Virginia, and the cicadas have returned in force. Every day they seem to perch themselves on a different living plant in our backyard. Today, it's Forsythia bush. Every morning or evening, I'm not sure which, the cicadas' larvae, they emerge from the ground in these perfectly symmetrical round holes. I'm not exactly sure of the process, but you can see live cicadas and the remains of the shells that they emerge from. And the sound you hear in the background is not the high-pitched shriek of a jet engine, but it's the sound of male cicadas flexing their chest in a mating call. And with that, I'm going to call it a wrap. It is May 27th, 2004, and the cicadas have returned to Fairfax, Virginia.
I forgot. I forgot I didn't get anything to plant in that little rabbit.
This is our crepe myrtle tree, which is absolutely covered with cicadas. If it was early in the day, you could hear this incredible din of the cicada mating call, but I'll save that for tomorrow. This can be considered the end of the cicada video.
Hallelujah!
I'm doing, or the beginning of Jeannie's birthday video. No, seriously, I'm doing this because it is a day later. It is May 28th, 2004, and I want to record the sound of the cicada. Say goodbye, Jean.
Goodbye.
Back to cicadas for a minute. About a week and a half ago or so, they began to emerge from our backyard out of holes such as this as larvae. And over about a period of 1 hour, they molt, leaving a shell such as this. And the next time you see them, they look like this. And back to our crepe, and then once again back at our crepe myrtle tree. I don't know if they've actually mated at this point or not, but the sound you hear, although it's beginning to subside for the day, is their mating call. They climb to the top of the tree after they've mated, lay their eggs, and then the poor queen succumbs. I don't know if this is and it's not clear if this is a male or female cicada, but whatever, it is clear that this cicada's life cycle has ended. And this will close out the story of Cicadaville in Fairfax, May 28, 2004. It'll be another 17 years before we have this opportunity again.